Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a Christmas card that I titled Merry Christmas. I'm using a Christmas and winter paper pack, and I'm also using one of my freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. So here I am starting with stamping the sentiment onto a strip of paper that will make it onto the card. And I like to start with a stamping to give it just a little time to dry, for the ink to dry. So that's why I usually start with the stamping. And then I am needing to cut the card base, which will be 4x6 in size. And so I know this is not a traditional card size, but it works for me. And so I'm just creating this 4x6 paper card base and or card base, and then I already have that other patterned paper there that's cut a quarter of an inch smaller on two sides, so it has a nice little gap or edge around the card. So here my cardstock usually just doesn't like my trimmer, so I still have to cut around the edges to just remove the frizziness there. And then I am ready to start gluing down the first bits of this card, which is the background paper, which is the pattern paper that I like to use. And then I have this paper strip that will go across, and then I have these scalloped edges that I already created, and these scalloped edges will go behind. This is basically I'm matting my cardstock or this other paper strip, but I don't want to use a whole wide strip to mat it, so I just use two smaller strips. Now if you want to use the cut file from the silhouette, it will come with just a scalloped mat in the background and makes it easy for you if you don't want to go through the hassle of what I'm doing here. You can just mat it and put it behind. I just find that I have a lot more thin strips of paper left lying around, of scrap paper basically, than bigger pieces of paper, and so it's a good way for me to use up smaller and thinner pieces of scrap that are just lying around in bulk in my craft area. So then I have these leaves that will go onto the page, and the cut file will come with not the same leaves. These are actually from a die cut set that I have, but there will be pretty leaves on the template. I think it does come with a holly, and then there will be the little berries that I already also used a die cut for, but or a die for, and they too would be included in the cut file. And there are several cut files with leaves for Christmas cards, so you can find them and then use them in other projects as well. So this is my card done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.